So yesterday we have seen the how your function is passing
Okay,
multiple
sir.
values to the call
Okay, sir.
statement. Yesterday, oh, I didn't share the screen. No, 1 minute. Okay, now you can see the screen. This topic only we have seen. Yesterday we have seen how your function is sending or passing or returning a multiple values to the call statement. How a single variable receives. It is in the form of tuple. Yesterday we have seen the same topic. No, can you recall it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and then how to unpack a tuple. For example, it will be sent in the form of tuple, but if the function is, you can see this example, x plus 10, y plus 10. Yesterday, this add 10 function we have seen. The function is returning three values. Here in the call statement, we given what? Three variables to receive in order to receive the values from the function. Okay. So it will be formed, it will be get the values as it is in the type. For example, if the function is sending a string data type, means it will receive in the form of string. If the function is returning integer data type, means it will receive in the form of integer. Okay. So this is called unpacking the multiple variables after a function is returning. Okay. Today we are going to see about the composition. This is a small topic, and just for understanding purpose only this concept is. Okay. What is the thing? What is composition statement means? Merging the two, joining the two statements into a single line. That is called composition statement. Let I show an example. You can see the example. Max, it is a function. That is, we are passing two arguments, but in the form of expression. Generally, how we will pass a comma b, likewise only we will pass no. How we are passing here, a plus b, it is a single argument, and c plus a, it is another one argument. Okay, this is another form to sending a argument. Okay, here what is the thing? Price is a function, card or cash. Any one value will be taken. Okay, we don't know. Okay, if card is have a value not zero, means it will be taken, or else cash value is not zero, means it will be taken. Okay, you can see this another one example which is mentioned in the red line. It is the best example to understand how to write a multiple argument. Okay, multiple statement in a single statement. Okay, you can see name equal to Vikram. It is a string variable. Print name dot replace. Actually, replace function is there that we are going to see in the fourth chapter. Okay, so before that I will tell, replace is one of the function. This is a string function. Okay, default function, sorry, inbuilt function only. So this replace function is used to replace a character. Okay, it will replace a character, then it will print. It won't store, it will replace it. Okay, for example, instead of m position, nt will be replaced. Can you understand this one? Replace function. I'm talking about replace function only, not about this entire statement.
It's
Replace
a
function, can
single
you,
character, sir.
whatever character we can give us, two characters or three characters, but instead of that string, another string will be get replaced. Okay, here
Sir,
we give,
லாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து சார் நம்ம மாத்த முடியுமா சார்?
no, whatever, first also. For example, if instead of p I want to give another variable, sorry, another character, means also it is possible. Or else VIK, okay, whatever. Here you can see name dot replace. What is name? Vikram we stored. There is a string we stored in the variable name. Variable dot replace of comma. Then what is the thing? M is what? That is a new existing character. NT is a replaceable character or replacing character. Okay. Instead of M, NT will be replaced. So wherever it find M in the string, it will replace. For example, VIK MRAM. If it is there, means what will be the output? VIK NT RANT. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
This is replace function. But then another one thing, you know, that upper function. What is the use of upper function?
Capital, sir.
Very good. It will converting every given thing into the capital letter. That is an uppercase. Okay. But what if we want to do the operation? Generally, how we will type? Print of name dot replace. Then second statement again, what we will do? Print of uppercase. Correct. Two statements we are writing, but instead of we are writing in a single statement, that is print of name dot replace. that function dot upper function. What will happen? It will take the value and it will replace it, then it will convert it. In a single line, we are printing, we are making the two statements, we are executing the two statements, or two work, or two tasks. One is replacing, another one is converting into upper. This is called combination of the statements. Could you understand what is combination? Merging the two statements into a single one. Could you understand? I will
Yes,
go
sir.
for okay. I will go for one example program also for better understanding. Okay, 1 minute. For example, I'm just giving a equal a equal to 10. I'm just typing. Then again b equal to 5. Okay. Then I'm printing. I will type the normal program. Then you can understand. I'm just checking if a equal to b. If a equal to b, then print a. This is a statement. What may be the output for this function? Sorry, this program. What is the output? What may be the output? A equal to 10, b equal to 5. If a equal to b, print a. Actually, what is the output? Nothing will display because if yes, because a equal to b only, the print a will be get printed. Okay, because a and b not equal. For example, I am giving again a equal to b equal to 10. Then what may be the output?
10.
10 will print. Correct. No. So here I am making third line and fourth line. Two statements I am using. Now I will show how to print in a single statement. Okay. I'm just directly printing print of print a if a equal to b. Okay. Now if you execute means you can. Oh, I think invalid syntax. Syntax error showing. 1 minute. Okay. I will solve this and we go to the slide. Here you can see combining the multiple statement, that is the replace statement and upper function. Let me go to this example. We will see this. Okay, print name dot replace. First it will replace the variable, that is a character. Then afterwards it will convert into the uppercase. So what may be the output for this? VIKRANT will be printed in capital letter. Can you understand this one?
Yes,
Could you
sir.
understand this one? Okay. So this I will solve this problem. Then I will send to you in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So you can see this. This example, do you understand? Here we have to print two statements. One is replace. Another one is second line. We need to print upper. Okay, upper function. That is the name dot upper function. Okay. Instead of two statements, we have blended into a single statement. That is name dot replace. Another one is name dot upper. That is name dot replace. Then afterwards, after replace, it will be converted to the upper function. That character will be, that string will be converted to uppercase. Okay, that is the concept. This is a small concept in the chapter 3. That is composition of statement. Okay, so let me go to the next one. Did you understand this concept? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next one is very important thing in the function. Okay, two variable, scope of variable. Okay, scope means what? Scope means lifetime. Here in this computer, scope means lifetime, or till which, what is the lifetime of the variable, till which time the variable will be alive. Okay, after that the memory will be reallocated, that memory will not exist. Okay, that is the scope of variable. There are two type of variables are there. One is global variable, another one is local variable. Okay, two things, two type of variables, global and local variable. As from the name itself, you can easily identify
Sir,
what
scope sir.
scope means lifetime. Okay, where the, what is the lifetime of the variable? Okay, I will explain it. Scope means lifetime, or lifetime means till where we can use the variable. where we can use the variable. Lifetime means, for example, our lifetime may be what, maybe 60 years or 70 years or 80 years maximum, isn't it? So till that we will do the what? Okay, the likewise the variable having also some lifetime. Till that the variable can use. After that the variable cannot be used. Okay, like, do you understand what is the meaning of scope?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let we see there are two type of variables are there. From the example program you can easily understand two type of variable scopes are there. Local scope, another one is global scope. Or else two type of variables, global variable and local variable. Okay, from the name you can easily understand. Local means within certain limitation. Global means, you can say that what is global generally. How we are saying it's a global means what? In general term, not even computer. Do you have any idea?
Bhumi,
Global.
sir.
Sorry? Generally, I'm saying global means entire
Bhumi.
thing. Yes, yes. Here, what is the meaning of global means? Entire program. The variable, if a global variable means a variable can be accessed, can be used wherever in the program, wherever in the entire program. That is called global scope. And local scope means what? The variable or the variable can use within the function only, within a part of the program only. That is called what? Local variable. I already said what is function means, it's a part of the program. Okay. So this is the two scopes. Global variable means, global scope means the variable can be accessed, can be used, can be utilized in any part of the program. Okay, for example, a program contain multi 3 or 5 functions are there inside the program, and main program also there. So one global variable can be accessed. We can print, we can do modification anywhere in the program. That is called global variable. Local variable means we can print within the, we can use, not only print, we can use the variable within the function only, within some limitation only. That is called local variable. Let me see one example, you will get the better understanding. Okay, I will show an example program. Better I will go with our own program, then you can easily understand. Where we have to declare the global variable means outside the function. Okay, what is global? How we are saying? For example, here I typed a equal to 10, b equal to 5, like that I typed. Where I declared, where I used the variable, where I assigned the variable, whether it is inside the function or outside the function.
Outside the function.
Outside the function. That's why its scope is global. Okay, global means global variable we should declare outside the function. Okay, let I will show an example. Same example. A equal to 10 and b equal to, sorry, b equal to 5. I'm just giving this two value. Then I'm defining one function, def sample. That is a function. Okay, sample is the function. It doesn't have any argument. Here, a equal to, again I'm just giving a equal to 30, b equal to, I'm giving 40 for one. Okay, so here I'm just printing a comma b. Okay, then I'm completing the function. Then here I'm printing a comma b. Can you guess what may be the output of this function? What may be the output of this function? Can you guess? No?
30, 40.
First thing, you can see the main program where it starts, where the main program is starting. Can you guess? Can you tell?
From third
In
line.
the, no, third line is the function only. No, it is not main program. Main program will start from 8th line. Okay, actually first two lines we declare a variable. What the a equal to 10, b equal to 5, we declare some value to the variable a and b variable. Then third, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 lines are function definition. Okay, so then come to the 8th line. 7th line is empty space. So 8th line we ask to print a and b. According to 8th line, what is a and b means? If you ask to print the 8th line alone means it will print 10 comma 5. 10 and 5 only will printed. Okay, Because the function is not called. Function is defined when the function will work. That's why I asked this question. Very particularly asked this question. When the function will work. Whenever we call the function, that time only it will start to, it will be invoked, it will be start. The call statement we didn't make means the function will not work. Okay. Now I am going to write the call statement. Can you say the call statement? How to make the call statement? Function name, arguments, right? What is the function name here? Can you say what is the function name?
Sample, sir.
Sample. Good. Sample is a function. How many arguments it contains?
Two.
Two arguments. Whether we are passing two arguments. We didn't pass any argument. No. In the third line, it doesn't receive any parameter. There is no parameter. That's why we didn't pass any argument. Okay. In the ninth line, what type of function the sample is? Void function or non-void function? The sample function. How you are saying it is a non-void function?
Because it does
Actually,
not return anything.
you're totally confused. That is, void function means it doesn't return. If a function doesn't return anything, it doesn't return anything means then we can say it is a void function. Whether it is returning anything, the sample function is returning anything.
Oh, sir.
No, sir.
No, then it is called what? Then it is
Void
called what?
function.
Void function. Very good. Now we understand now what is void function and non-void function. So void function means a function must return anything, any value. It may be a single value or multiple values. That is not a matter. If a function return anything means that's called non-void function. If a function doesn't return anything means then the function is called as void function. So here the sample function doesn't return anything to the call statement. That's why it is a void function. Okay. So now I made the call statement. So the ninth line, the function will be called. The function will be called. Then fourth line you can see a equal to 30, b equal to 40. Print a, b. So what will print? Sixth line will print a comma b. No. What is the a value and b value? Whether it is a value is 10 or a value is 30. Can you able to guess? Yes or no?
31.
Sorry, I didn't get.
30s.
30. Very good. Now I will explain about the global variable and local variable. Okay, very good guess. Now you will learn it. Okay. Now you can see in the fourth line and fifth line, we are declaring a variable and b variable. That is a value and b value. Okay. So this a and b, the 30 and 40 is called as local variable. Local variable means inside the function. The a and b where I declared inside the function or outside the function?
Inside the function.
Inside the function. So that's why this is called local variable. Now you understand what is local variable. Local variable means a variable which is defined inside the function. That variables are called as what? Local variable. Have you understood what is local variable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let you go to the first line. A equal to 10, b equal to 5. There we declare a and b, another variable. That variable is called as what? Now you can easily say that. What is that?
Global
Very
variable.
Yes, that is called global variable because a variable which is defined, which is assigned outside the function or main program. Okay, that variables are called as what? Global variable. So that a and b will be accessed anywhere in the program, inside the function, outside the function. So we can see. Let me see this third one. Let me see the output. It will print. So the function first it will print a b. So according to eighth line, what is a value and b value means 10 and 5 only. Okay. Could you understand? According to eighth line, what is a and b value? 10 and 5. A value is 10, b value is 5. Okay. Then ninth line only we are calling the function. The function will be called. In fourth line, you can see a value 30, b value 40. Okay. Then we are asked to print a comma b. It will print 30 and 40. According to this sixth print statement, what the a value? It is 30. Local variable only it will access. So lifetime you can understand. Lifetime of the local variable within the function. Okay. The a and b lifetime is what? within the function. After the function execute, if you want to print the a and b value, means it won't print. Could you understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will run this program. You can easily understand. You can see the output 10,5, and next line it is what 30,40. Okay, you please see the output. Let me go to the program for better understanding. 10, 5 and 30, 40. Just going back, you can see we asked it in the print 8. First the execution will be start from 8th statement only, 8th line only. So 8th line we asked to print a and b. According to 8th line, it is a global, no, it is a main function, no. So main function will access what? Global variable only. It cannot access fourth line a and fifth line b, because that is a local variable. Where the local variable will execute, where we can use the local variable?
Inside the function.
Very good, very exactly you said. Inside the function only we can use. If you try to use the 13 outside, means we cannot, because that is local variable. Okay, it only works in the local only. Outside that it won't work. Okay, with that first line and second line is there, that is global, wherever we can use. Okay, now I will show that. Now I am removing this a and b. Sorry. Okay, now I ask you to print a comma b. Then again the function is called in the 7th line. Then 3rd line the function definition is there. Print a b. So according to 4th line, what is a and b? Whether a and b is declared inside the function? Is it a and b value are declared inside the function?
Hello.
Is it it is mentioned? It is declared?
No, sir.
No. Then what value will be called? Global value will be called. I already said the global a and b can be accessed wherever in the part of the program. Suppose the function will check what is a and what is b. 4th line will check. There is no mention. There is no local variable. Then it will go to the next level, environmental variable. Leg B rule, one rule is there. Next slide or next class I will show to you. Okay, first it will check the local scope. There is no local variable. Then it will go for the global variable. The global variable a value is 10. Global variable b value is 5. So we ask you to print, then 10 and 5 will be get printed. Okay, in 6th line 10 and 5 will be printed, and 4th line also 10 and 5 will be printed. Have you understand this one?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
global function நம்ம எங்க வேணாலும் use
Global
பண்ணலாம், sir.
variable. Global variable we can use anywhere. That's why we are saying global variable we can use anywhere in the program. Any part of the program we can use. We can able to use global variable. But local where we can use?
Only inside the function.
Very good. Only inside the function we can able to use the local variable. Okay, that's the thing. If I run
Okay,
this
sir.
program, what may be the output? Can you predict the output? What may be the output?
10, comma 5.
10. That is comma will not print. 10, 5. Then 6th
10,
line
5.
also. First 6th line will execute. No. First 6th line 10 comma 5. 10 5 will be printed. Afterwards sample function is called. Inside the sample function, 4th line we ask you to print again a and b. Okay. So 10 5 again in next line 10 5 will be printed. Okay. Let me see this output. We can see that. Could you able to understand this one? 10 5 10 5
Yes,
will be.
sir.
What about other students?
Okay, sir.
Could you all understand this one?
Yes, sir.
What is local variable and global variable?
Local variable can be accessed only inside the functions. Global
Very good.
variable can be accessed everywhere in program.
Super. Nicely you said. Okay, pa. Tomorrow we will see more example on the global variable and local variable and its scope. Okay, with some more example program, you can understand better. Okay. Okay, students. Anything else you have doubt in
Okay,
this
sir.
on local variable?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Okay. Tomorrow let me see about the rest of the things. Okay.
Have a good day, sir.